YouTube, welcome to Davidan HD. My name is Davidan. This is probably your first time watching this channel because this is my first movie. Yeah, so congrats to me. Alright, so here we go on. This movie is called My Wicked Boyfriend. Story by me, directed by me of course. But here we go on. I want to like, subscribe and share up the thing. Remember, so we just a start and we have a long way to go. And the journey go tough. But as long as the viewers just there and show we support, I know it's possible. But enough talking, just watch the video. Remember to like, remember to subscribe and enjoy.
You still in my bed? You still asleep? You still asleep? That's not like you. What happened? You alright? Wakey, wakey, rise and shine. You know how late it is? Look how bright the sun be. You alright?
Not really.
What do you? Talk to me, what do you?
I think around 3 o'clock this morning I got my bed.
I bleach all night.
No.
What keep you up so late? Oh, what do you, baby?
I gotta tell you the truth. Like, I don't even know how to explain this to you. Like,
Just talk it straight. You always can talk to me.
yeah, I'm a mother and I love you. And you're enough for me in my life. But sometimes I need a father.
Me know. But remember, says me tell you, when you're a baby, your father meets into a car accident but he's always with you. He's always with you because he did love you, you know. He did love you. He did have some serious plans for you, my girl. Oh God, it's just the Lord give it and the Lord take it. Only God know why.
But mommy, that's what I think now. You say in love, but me never feel in love them from them. I don't remember them they love you.
Me know. All you have is picture.
Last night all me do is cry. Me just cry. Just not know.
Me know, baby. Me know it rough. It rough. But God will provide, you know. God will provide. And the amount of love. You know how much people love you? Me know it's not the same as having a father. But you know how much people love you? And then just you can still talk to him, you know. It's only in flesh gone. I know same spirit still there with you. You were after you don't know how much he did love you.
But I find, mommy, me need one feel the love.
Me know, baby. Me know.
I just don't know what me do for deserve all of this.
Just remember, say, everybody partner ready at the same time. Today for you, tomorrow for me. You might see your friends, them, and other people with their mother and father, but you don't know what is going on behind closed doors. And you know, say, you have an angel watching over you that love you to the core. Believe me, my daughter, believe me. Try talking to him. Try talk to him.
Mommy.
Hmm?
I'm going to talk to him. Let me get one answer.
Yeah, in the heart. You ever think about something and I wonder and I pray how you're going to do this and I pre on it and I pre on it and then all of a sudden you just get the answer. It don't have to be la 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 answer, but you will feel it. Try it, baby. It might not come straight away. But here one. You have to go get yourself ready. Alright? Yeah. Shake up. Because all the down you done, him now go bring him back. So all we can do is live. We there. So shake up, go bathe. Me bring in some tea for you. Alright? So drink some tea. Give me my smile. No man, me want to see your pretty teeth. It's a start. Me know, try it. I don't worry about people thinking you're mad. Try it.
Yeah.
Talk to your daddy. And trust me, you will get the answer. Alright, me love you. No bother stress. Alright.
Sometimes I wish to sit better.
Hey, love. I forget to tell you. Why? Sometimes it's hard to keep up, you know. One of these days, she have to go find out the truth.
Something feel off. I don't feel like myself today. I feel like I'm not doing nothing at all. Oh boy. Hey, you see it there? Oh, you don't see me there, sir? Girl, can we go over here, yard? I'm going to send you over there. And you're so alone, you're there over there. So, I'm going good? Yeah, I'm good. What happened to you? No, girl, I'm alright. I look so? How me look? You look sad and depressed. What's wrong with you? I'm not sad. I'm not thirsty. Sit down. You're not thirsty? Sit down. Gotta come. So, what happened to you? Nothing to me, alright. I just want to name be there. So, you do out there, so? Girl, me I catch cool breeze. Girl, me I your best friend for 1 year now. I don't think you can hide nothing from me. Oh. What do you? Girl, I some period cramp me I feel on my belly. And you're there roadside into the yard? Mommy, they talk too much over there. I'm not understanding. I lie about something. I'm not lying. Enough for me. Talk about yourself. Well, nothing I really knew about me more than I'm fine. I'm like a boyfriend. I lie. That's the truth. You can be my fine man. You didn't leave any stuff. Jesus. So how long are they? Just 3 days. So how me just know? Because I just see you. Every time I come over here, they might say, yeah, I have a phone to text me. The moment you think say you go there, she text me and tell me, girl, come here. Girl, not every news good to send over phone. So, what way I say, what relationship look? Kinda. What that mean? Rocky? It's a guan. But you have too much complaining. Complain like I'm a woman too much. Oh, Jesus. Yes. Come here, think that find a man. Where are you with? Me find me much. I think I can beat that one, yeah. Oh, you can't beat one like you beat the last one. Right now, if you come as you see me at in cost. No, sir. Everything in cost, sir. So, girl, me never yet see you a pity man, so how are they going? Man, I go cost you now. Girl, something about that black boy there. You see, my best friend named Nick. My best friend from last year. Me delete and block him number. Man have a problem with him. I have to go. Some man I roll you now. You blind? Jesus. It's like you not see what go on me there. Something about that boy, yeah. What?
You good?
Yeah, I'm good. You good?
Yeah, man, there.
Oh, so you smell nice today, though.
Yeah, get up on my bed early.
Oh, you bathe this morning? Oh, I can forget bathe more often.
I can't start bed me.
Sure, nothing wrong. You know we are move slow, but soon.
And so, I move slow.
No man, you move
Just
slow.
normal.
So what? You can't move so far.
Just say we can walk and talk and chill with our point of view.
So come on, go look on the views then. Yes, I view them.
Boy, you know, we can't test the one. You know, this. So, babe, just a beautiful view from the jet car drive past.
Now when you get camp on them.
Soon, man.
You call soon. Next 2 days.
I want to go funny.
Yeah, but I like to go on one of them.
Tomorrow, I care for one.
No, but that time, I say, oh, you can't make company now.
Tomorrow, man, I say, right?
Mm-hmm.
Tomorrow, I care for one.
Alright.
What?
Anyway, then you say me I fall in love with you and something.
You fall in love?
Yeah.
So fast? You know you
You can know somebody tonight and fall in love with them. You never know that. You have all different types of love. So yes, me they fall in love with you. So like you live by yourself, you know, I'm moving with you and something. Even though you have some style, you have to go work hard.
Well, I think that part they kind of fast. You know,
What do you mean by fast?
you
You have somebody else?
No, nobody else, but...
Oh. So you didn't love me?
Well, now I tell you a lie, I really tell you, but something just take time to understand people.
We are
So why you not answer your phone?
because I don't know nobody.
Answer your phone, my brother.
Hang up. The important then call back. What you say now?
Brother, stop playing with me, love, yeah?
What you mean?
Stop playing with me.
No, look at me.
Stop playing with me.
You see what me are you?
No, so that girl, I know what say. Me lick out him teeth then. I'm going to try things that me have to play with you. Yo, it's a girl pass you said that.
What kind of girl is that?
One short girl.
Where
Black.
Where my girl?
One blue blouse.
You know, so I could have sure I swap one blue girl like that, but that is weird. But hold on, father, come on. Come make me see like him get a ball too, you know.
Oh,
You said girl, let me think so.
my ball. In a ball yet. Wait till I hold him with this.
So, how much you want to hold him with that? How happen?
Man, the girl out there side, I look out when he see her and he phone her ring and he no answer.
So, how make you know answer?
No most man I call him.
I don't have to that. I can't somebody.
Yo, no tell me nothing. A man I call him, he no answer his phone, brother.
Father, I don't have to
Yeah,
that.
tell me say you.
Me I tell us I don't have to that. And even
Which way you go?
I tell us I saw him go charge you. But hold on, man. And all the while.
Yo.
This told me I son, brother. And all the while. And all the while, one no answer the phone, a man I call him. Yes, I tell a man I call him. But what? You have a respect for the answer. Road.
You know, have no respect. You go, yo.
So what? You feel like you have respect to take up this a big jug here? If that lick him,
No, wait till I hold him. Wait till I hold
You
him.
know hold him, brother, because in Ghana now, my youth. Me ask some police around us, so I nothing make no sense.
You go so? Alright, so.
No, so me tell us saying go.
Alright,
What's
let's
your
see.
charge? Hold on, man. So me I say, just text some time and call him. What? You have nothing to him. If me see her run me down with this, me I run to him. The people are feeling charged. If man I call him, when me talk about call him and tell him you want to make up things. No call him and tell him you want to mean to what this in your head. That now make no sense. That make no sense, Charlie.
Brother, I just want to know how she's going.
Hello.
Accept.
Go on, brother, if you want to.
What you would do if I you?
When I put on the jug
Put it.
and take some time and cool off and call him. Brother, go on your yard. Go on your yard, Charlie. Listen to me. I don't know where you're from now, but I say you're good you on a little.
It's alright then, what? Yeah.
Yeah, I eat that from the time to focus on it. So we're going still.
How about that? Come in, I push the door and come in. I didn't do your yard. Girl. I'm happy. Why are you happy? What do you? Yeah, something to say. The boy nice and something. I go to the boy, my phone go ring and the boy drip me. In the crowd, in the town, everybody there. Oh God. Oh God. No, me just frustrated. Gosh. I never have no credit for call you. I just become a phone ring, you know. So who that call you? Girl, a number unknown. That's the thing. Oh. It's an unknown number. Trish, me I tell you the truth. The relationship you're in, you come like I want to abuse one. Girl, I can't really say that. But all them I don't get then. Somebody will call me. Oh, dirty stuff. But text that call. So do you want if you text that call, Trish? If you say at least sorry. Trish ain't just cheap up and you just glad if you forgive him. If you call her right now, you forgive him. Better girl. Hello. Yes, me reach home. Wait there. Yes. Yeah, me reach home. No. Yeah, me know you're sorry. You can meet tomorrow. I'm tired right now. My belly button hurt. I'm going to sleep. So tomorrow I meet you. Yeah, love you. Yeah, girl. Problem fixed. Shush, you're so stupid. How am I so stupid? Somebody just share it in a public. Come the phone ring and think a man call me. And he jape up you know, saying, the worst than that. The best thing. Well, he never the worst than that alive. Best thing advice if you do is leave him alone. He don't good for you. Alright. Alright. You never tell nobody about money. Oh, true, me not have none. I know, have you not have none? I can't get none. Me do not want anything. Me just want I'm gonna look at what that's not the point, Trish. What point? Soon as they soon start around, come tell me saying they beat you. Me not tell that girl. My man not beat me. Me I go over right now, come belly button hurt me. Go lie down and sleep till the morning. Me go meet my man. Right? You're so delusional. Thank you. I love you for that. My man just butter. It was a nice time. Son. Later. Mommy! Oi. Come here then. I want to ask advice on something.
Anything.
Mommy, if you just say somebody love you, they have to put their hand by you.
Put them hand by your hoe.
As in, say abuse.
No, of course not. Of course not. That's not right anyway. What happened?
Mommy, you know what I know? Say, my friend come over here. And me and her over here attack, right? First, she did call me early and tell me say she go on the road. She and her man, because she find a new man and now, so she go on the road.
So it's a new man to that?
Mommy, the girl come over here sad. And come explain to me what happened. And the man normally do this or the man normally put his hand on the man and say, Mommy, two toes me see the man call back her phone. She turned idiot and gone.
After...
So I want to know if I not see it properly or
you see it properly here? No man or woman have the right to put them hand on the next person. Me know of a situation, you know, that used to do that, you know, and no, it's not right. And you don't form fool and put up with that, here.
No.
Because she teach him say, it's alright for him to drape her up and whatever or not. Because from him do it, and she run gone back to him.
Yes. As the boy call him and tell him 2 little words. Through the door.
Jesus. You see a man not sweet. That's why I always tell you if you use your head.
Mommy, she not use her head. I'm a friend, but me not like what she
Me not like that. Me not like that at all. I have a special hatred for that kind of things.
Come on, I tell you one time. Mommy, you know what hurt me the most? I said, she no normally stay so. You know how Trish me attack?
Loudmouth Trish.
Loudmouth Trish.
Trish one drape her up and Trish take that?
Yes.
If anybody me did a thing would have boxed him down is Trish.
Mommy, me think that me would have done like how Trish tan.
You could have never done so.
But me not got done so. Mommy, Trish no normal. I tell you, Trish normally loud. Trish normally the one to lick down man. Me don't know what happened, but me not like it. I don't like it at all. Me not like how the situation are going.
You see the thing with man and woman? Once someone them close them door and the man do ever and say whatever and do whatever. The first thing them hold is your mind, you know? And once they control your mind and eat that, then control you. That's why me always say for you to be independent. Have your own money, your own things. So no man, woman, beast can fight us with my picnic.
Is that true, mommy? You come like, man,
No,
control
sir.
Trish head. Because
Well,
Trish done papi show now.
all we can say is time is the master. We can only pray for them and just know so people can change. Me know.
Hopefully.
Me know where
Hopefully.
situation change and it happen.
Hopefully she can change.
No, sir.
Come on, like what I go on.
No, me not like them. Trish.
Yes, mommy. Trish.
No,
You
man.
want to know the Trish we know, my friend.
Well, as I said before, it's one thing to learn from your mistakes, but another to learn from other people. So all we can do is hope and pray for her. But people can change. People can change. We have the pot on the fire, so may I come.
Alright, mommy. Poor Trish.
Why y'all going like that?
Matches.
Hey, we tell you to top calm so. Top calm so, not calm so.
Dead meat. What happened to you? Oh, your foot looks so.
I meant into an accident.
No, no, tell me no lie.
Because I have a bike. Me tell
No,
life.
and the wife come. I'm telling you, no. Tap take the married man them.
I'm not tap.
You not tap?
No.
How much of them you have now?
2. But me feel like more than the next one.
Can't go and feel next one, you don't get the next foot. So, how is life since as you seems one-ish? Now I'm weird, like a 1 foot away from you.
No, I'm 2 foot of work, man.
You can't back on?
Yes.
Oh. So what happened?
Sorry, me have a van.
You ever wait for somebody? I mean, see what you benefit from the somebody, them what you wait for.
I lie, yeah, tell.
Yeah, benefit. Look, dugu.
No. So let me ask you a question. You feel like say, every man me talk to, me do with them?
Yeah.
Me skinny out and give them?
Me don't know if your
girl.
skin out. If
Me
you
might
want
be-
to cock it up too.
Me might have take 2 man, but oh God, man.
No, you see how that take 3, so you might have take 4 man. But anyways, me there you go. Look for see if me see me 1 beep on the road. Cause you know me a 1 burn already. Me can't manage the 2 burn. That means if you burn up.
I lie. So you don't feel like you want the next one?
No girl, my man, alright. Even though we kinda have some difficulty, kind of feel like he did one big, but I'm brave and drape me up in front of crowd. But me say, I just do something back to him, you know. Me and him.
So your man drape you.
How what happened?
That's why you be have 2 man.
Why me feel
So
have
if you
two
have
man?
if you have one a drape, you have one a look romance you.
No, baby girl, a 1 man me want. Cause still have 2 man they look for your foot.
Yeah, one for lift me up and one for.
So, where they are, influence my woman to have more one man?
Me, I influence a woman. Yeah.
Sorry,
let's see if you did that.
You
So
see
we
if you
come.
don't want me to step in that foot away, you have your tap chat there.
Hello, I know your woman this.
Yeah,
Sir.
say it on.
So,
I know your woman this.
so you think me afraid of you?
Me afraid of you either. You don't have 2 hands. I know your woman this. Address the
What
woman
are you
please.
Me a pass and through me and
Yeah, pass and
used to
what?
go to school. Me see her foot, so me I wonder how her foot look like this. And me ask
You
her,
don't
say,
know a man, I'm in a year,
what happened?
a woman come from foreign and she in a man out
Touch them, say touch the touch of a bike.
You see, you know you mind your damn business. I can't mind people business, cause your business is
Everybody
spoiled.
have be a chat. Everybody knows that I run out of the house.
Yeah, might run out.
I'm pretty out of the hill of the road. Everybody knows. They done hill roll down and scrape up the foot.
And get so much good.
I don't know where I hide. And then people run out of the bar and take care of me in. I don't know.
I hear you talk like a human being.
Where you don't want you to tap a chat with she. You understand
Me
me?
know her before you.
Hello, listen to me I say. Me no want you to tap a chat to she.
Then a man government yonder, mama.
Mama, it better me under man government than have 2, 3, 4 man.
Oh, and you better yonder man
Listen to
government.
me
and
now.
him a drape
Me
you.
know her before you, right? When you want me for the serious and she, her foot looks something for just walk past. Yeah, you hear me I say no?
Me say you hear what me say a while ago.
Hello, talk to your friend like that.
Hello.
Yeah, hear me?
Hi, sir.
no,
Not deal with the little girls. Not deal with the little girls, sir. On the full talk, man.
Go on.
On the full talk.
Go on.
Is she alright? How you drape up the lady, sir? You give birth to her? You for talk, man. Every relationship have problems. You talk, you don't use your face.
know how this is concerned.
I'm a daughter
Because-
friend.
Huh?
I'm a daughter friend and she named female. Me
So,
not like
you
see my
ask
woman.
me if me birthday, your birthday?
Me a woman, me is a mother. Me not do that. Me not even do that to my picnic.
Listen me.
On young people, on the learn to talk.
This is not concern.
It will concern me.
It's
You
not
drape up the
concern.
girl.
Mind your
If
own
me never come where you
Mind
wanna do
your
it.
They all one of me man, them
You
feel
know,
like
see
they're
a
bad, they
focus
jam
on
in front of
people
one of my
business.
friends, them a problem.
What? Wait for
You
never
know,
come.
focus on
Hey,
people.
you think so me? You think
You're
you
too
really
nosy.
think so me
Lady,
are you woman?
no, we
Take
are
your
doing
foot
it.
out of my
No,
face.
we
You
are
think
do.
drape me,
think so
let
me
me
will
see.
lick in
You
your
love
face,
it.
yeah.
Try. See me a try. You think so me are your girlfriend? You think so me are your girlfriend?
lick.
A little
We
try.
are gonna do
Let me
it.
see you do
What
it
you gonna
again.
do
Let me
there,
see
yeah?
you lick her again. Huh?
No,
He's not
no,
her
we
father.
lick her,
You'll
you
learn for
defend.
chat. Use your
When
mouth
we
and
lick
use
her,
your
you come
voice.
defend it.
Eh? When man don't know what to do with themselves, them have to use violence. Use your head and use your voice. Stop use your fist. When a man love beat woman and can't take click. Sure. You alright? Come and see him did that cuss you.
Hey, me not afraid of him. I
That's
chill
it.
address him, but me just let you go on.
Alright. Come off of the road, the rain soon come. Here.
Are you see what there?
Yeah, you miss over there.
Oh, go on.
There, man, I go on over there. You have
Good.
chat to him.
You me chat to him, bro. One while ago, me I walk come and see him with girl chat about man and say.
What do you want to chat about, man? Say?
Like worrying girl man from about the place. I'm not like I know him. I call him Manda.
I don't know nobody from here saying that.
I hear about the girl that run out the house and roll down hill.
But I don't know nothing about that place. My mind more in business. I feel like that's why my life.
That girl,
Yeah.
I don't get chat to her with man. And I tell him to go on up off the road and I lift him in the face and say, no, yo, it's a girl. Yo, I'm put myself in a problem. No one that. You see me?
I feel like you are
So-
gonna put yourself in a problem. Let me tell you why. You see, if you have a woman and you can't hear what you say,
Yo.
I two things to it. Either you work with it or you cut. And I know licking a face, kicking a belly and that type of style. Then style is when you're in jail. And you know a man doing a jail to man like a, me not even say man like a you, because I don't feel like I say you really tan. But then you know then do to people like that in a jail. Then turn them in a sissy.
Bro, I just go and bill and now, that's it. Because I don't want to tell himself to go on up off the and then one woman come at you. Rasta one, I yap off him out. I almost lick him in the mouth, you know. And people are coming to my business.
Or if you have your business at roadside, people have to come in there. People have to come in there, and I like it because in your house.
About the place here, look.
all type of place, you know, father. But alright, that's something really there now. Just there was a little observer in a village, you know. But me I tell you still, youth. Stop put your hand on woman. You know, go end well.
Anything I say, but me I try to beat that rain still, eh?
Do it now.
No, the rain I will pan it.
Alright. I hope you not go up to your woman and do that fool, Michelle. I'm hearing saying, send up your woman. What they didn't look like he even good neither.
How good you here?
Oh, God, mommy.
Why? Me have a story to tell you, my daughter.
Oh,
You know your friend Shanice?
yeah.
And the one you was coming and telling me about.
Yeah.
With her boy. Me not even call him boyfriend, with her man too.
Why you call him?
Kaka girl. Me I walk up the lane, I go shop. And me hear the big argument from every rich bamboo, you know. Me hear the loud voice. And me just bend the corner so. For him to me see the big old churches man. Him big and thick and I drape up Shanice so ready for box. So they for run and jump in the middle of it. Then that ready for rank with me. Him not know me and who, you know.
Mommy, me I tell you the truth, me don't know what do Shanice. If me feel like she fall in love too quick.
Yes.
Me feel like she had turned in a man tete.
Aye. Him take her make fool man.
On the roadside.
On the roadside.
So they couldn't wait till they reach home, at least wait till they reach home and then on the road to that beaty girl.
Kayla, may I tell you, say.
Couldn't talk to them.
Hey, me gotta break it up. Because if me never come out and fist him ready for fist her, you know, look how lily bit that little girl be. Hey? And that giant of a cross is pissing tail man. Him big and tit and ugly like a ready for fist her up if me never come in the and then him ready for come stop on me. Me tell him, say try. Say fair. Say fair. Cause him know say him have 7 pressure points, you know. 4 will kill him and 3 will cripple him, you know. Choose one. Him can either dead slowly or dead quick. He don't know me and who, you know. But one come rank with me and threaten me. Him thinks I mean name Shanice.
Mommy, I have to go talk to you.
You have to
I
talk
have
to
to go
her.
talk to her because something not right. The Shanice what me know, no normally tan so. The girl what me know no normally tan so.
No.
Me never yet see nobody angle her so.
No.
She normally up
me.
front and bold. Me, Jesus.
That the girl at one point me think say she not no manners or her mouth.
Yeah.
How, you want to see how he might treat her. Not only that, you see when you see that me I want you know, and them young girls both, you know. You see when them brute take hold of your mind,
Yeah.
it's easy for control. The biggest and greatest weapon in the hand of the oppressor is the mind of the oppressor. Remember me teach you that.
Yeah.
May I tell you, say that you see when we broke it up,
Yeah.
and him let go of Shanice.
Yeah.
Oh, Lord. Me even move out of the way because you know, so me not like jumping a cockfight.
Yeah.
Me expect for Shanice to roll him up now. Shanice just stand up there like little puppy. That running like mongrel dog. And see Shanice here, tail between her foot and color. Me frightened. Me friends to tell me I have to deal with him. Girl.
Me have to go talk to her.
Yes,
Mommy, me have to go
please.
talk
Come in
to
and
her.
like that. Me real Shanice like
me
me own.
and buck up on her.
Huh?
Whoop me up on the road and know mommy if you talk to my friend.
Yes, you have to
Then
talk
I-
some sense into her
Yeah.
before it's too late.
So-
I mean, I like what me see. I'm
Yeah.
more than red flag that.
Alright.
But watch out for that dirty boy.
Yeah.
If you see him, mind him. Yeah?
Mommy, me no know how he look. She never introduced me.
You don't want to know him neither. Him big
Alright.
and thick and ugly like how.
Alright, mommy.
See the wickedness in him. Careful on the road.
Oh, good evening. Me there, yeah.
So me I call in and thing for.
How we do yesterday? Me not like that. Me not like them lifestyle. You do
What
it
me
the
do what's
first
wrong?
time. You say sorry. Me can walk past it. Now you come and drip.
What me do wrong?
A big woman that you know. Big woman that you
protect
had.
you from the fire with that orange girl. You know how much man that girl have? You saw a man do her? Me I protect you from reaching in situation.
Listen to me,
I
listen
just
to
stop
me
a
good.
talk with the
My
girl.
mind is my mind. A man that cannot force me to do what I do not want to do. Oh, so friend can influence if you do
what
things.
she did they talk to you about?
She has said she have 2 man, she would like to have 3 right now because the 2 don't work.
And she not say if you do work with
No,
her.
she never tell me that.
Me not believe that.
Believe it or
She
not.
must
Me
be
not
there.
put in a nothing
I
with
tell
you
you
right
say
now.
people come in I work with her. I follow her go some. Me no
Listen to
want
me and
you-
listen to me good.
Me no want you in a
You see,
company.
if friend can influence you to do something, no friend can influence me to do nothing.
Me no want.
Me are different somebody from you. And what you want and what you gonna get. Accept it or leave, sir.
You see?
You see, I
And
don't
then
like
put me
you,
in
know.
me
Me
put
tell
my
us
hand
me
for
love
you.
you, know. You say, oh, me don't reach level yet, blah, blah, blah. But yet you want to embarrass me in front of people. You want to come make me standard low. I don't like them
You
standard.
don't make a standard low already if you stop at
Me and her apart from me and her toddler.
if people see and I know they say them two girls like same thing, you know.
Oh.
You man in friend
So
all out.
anytime nobody see and your friend that they say to you.
Birds of a feather flock together.
That are you alone.
You tell me alone?
Yeah.
If she a go sell and you apart with her for 1 week, me sure know say you a go sell too.
Me and her apart from where I go to school and she herself from she go to school and me not sell it. You buy?
You know
You buy?
You run everything?
You buy? Me I sell now. You buy?
Me no buy front nobody.
Okay.
Me no buy front.
Because me no know where you come over here find
Don't
out.
stop BSM, man.
No.
Don't
What,
know that.
man?
Me just don't want you to talk to that girl. I deal with that girl.
I like
Don't
Willie
do
days
it.
to them, man. Them things
See,
that
I
are
like have
nice.
gel upon you and say, where did this?
Me I fix up my edges.
Sure.
Yeah,
You
it's a
don't have
sweat.
nothing left to drink, man.
No, me don't have nothing in there for drink.
So I move to from.
Because you before you tell me sorry, they ask me for something to drink. And
sorry,
you if you
sorry.
care something, come give me. No little
Sorry.
flowers, nothing.
Sorry. You accept me?
Yes, I accept it, but don't make it happen again. No,
Don't make
because me
that
love you, me
happen
I gonna be no
again.
idiot
Don't
for you.
make that happen again. You even know, say you know, you strip your clothes. Now, buy one juice, because you know like
And get one for me when you come back. I want one flavored splash with ice. If they're not done with ice, you take something without ice. I want something with ice, okay?
Hey.
Shanice,
Yeah, girl.
come here.
What?
Come out here, so I need to talk to you. You know, me not
You
like...
call me so by me right now.
Come out here, so me have to call about you right now, because this serious.
What go on? Who did?
Nobody not there.
Who a bury?
So bad. Nobody not bury.
What missing?
Nothing not missing.
Then what happened? What's so serious?
You know, send me over here and mother tell me something I not like when me here. Me not like
Oh,
that.
Miss Charmian.
Yes, me not like it.
What she tell you now?
She tell me say yesterday when she come, when she go on the road, I got shop.
Mm-hmm.
She see a man a jape up and a beat up on the roadside.
Oh, what she can chat do?
What a
Yes. Me not tell her say, when me tell her say, when me go out to them and they do it already. But this time you see me with Manda, and I say no like see me run Manda and you know want me to talk to Manda.
But that not give him the right for jape up, yo.
But Manda did that tell me say I have to have 2 man because 1 man not work.
Listen to me, cause me and your friend, right? Clearly, I sense them disappear. So me try
Girl,
to
what you
back
mean
in
by-
the end. You see, when a man love you, he not supposed to put his hand on you. He's supposed to cherish you. You understand? Your man don't love nor cherish you. He might beat you.
And this Miss
Pan
Charmian
both
say now
sides.
what you have to do?
She not said me come over by my own. Cause you're my
You
friend.
can't take a lecture
I'm a
right
feel
now.
away.
Well, me not feel no way. Me and him alright now. He come apologize not too long. And me tell him say me forgot buy one juice. Me say I come with the juice.
Me think a time for you left him.
How me feel left him?
Cause he not good for you. He not work out. He might abuse you. And me hear
You
things
see,
from the road.
you see bad abuse for me?
No, me not see it yet. But then if you left him, it's a time for
Girl.
a time for you left him. A time.
Me not left him. Me sorry. Me not left my man.
Me realize your sense them disappear.
So you have them?
Me have them.
Oh.
Give a them me who the still in here tap make him abuse you.
Girl, you see bad apart for me? Me look black and blue to you. Me not get no abuse. I am okay.
Alright then. Alright then.
Me like be a lose weight.
Alright. No, you look alright. You look fine.
Okay.
You're well
then.
dolly done. You're
Yes.
happy. Yeah.
Oh, man.
Oh, this is Kayla, my friend. Thank you.
Your friend.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. The friend.
So none there I talk about.
We are talking about you.
No talk.
We are talking about you.
Me?
When they abuse my friend. You need to tap with your hand on her. It's Tinker Road. My mother can't tell me about it. And then when my mother talk to you, insult my mother.
So that is there, so to me a beat.
Listen to me. You see if anybody that lick me on the roadside, our mother would say.
Oh, you in a food business.
Because I'm my friend.
Are there,
Like say. Your head go on coming up.
play with, you know. Me and somebody to play with, girl. Don't play with me. You hear me I tell her? You hear me I tell her?
Me a talk to you, man.
Left from my money.
Later me call you.
And then see, you have had, you see you? You see you?
Every
Yes.
time God send you here
Say,
to
God
apologize
just
to do
want
something
me to sin in
after.
a man.
Why you did the way you do outer road in front of her mother? You see the Rasta woman that she mad.
Stop load up my phone. Put me to box off everything off of your face. All of them
No, so me feel like I do say you buy. When you buy, can come give me a folder.
You know what? Me left your yard. Cause you know want police have to come up here. Me left your place.
Hello.
Yeah.
Tell me.
Because your man push me down up the road.
Okay, what you mean man push her down? What you do make him push her down?
You know, say me have to me down or nothing. So, my mother tell me, say, my friend in our abusive relationship. So, I could have to talk to her. The man come in and see me. And I say, what kind of advice that me and give me friend and push me down.
Girl, what this man look like? Can me get me feel like me have an idea of who you know?
I want tall black man. Think his name Toga. I think I Toga didn't call it.
Toga.
Yeah.
I don't know. How woman look? You man short and
The
kind of.
woman short and head catch up in a two.
Tell her, so what you going to do now? You go to the police station?
No. I'm going to tell my mother defend me.
You want girl, tell her, you know, I don't like staying sitting here, though. I don't like staying sitting here, man. You know, sitting here hurt me hard, man. How who? You want me to go up there and chat to him?
You come and talk to him? Suppose me and let you know.
Sit down home. You know, this, let me tell you, I come from around here. And I don't want it when I go. So I don't want it down here, so. I don't like man to beat woman, believe me.
But I got me, yeah.
No, man. Let me go up there and talk to him for you. Follow back on me. And you have strength for your car, woman. You see, I'm big and thick and strong. You feel now, look, a boy can't come bully me or something. Just listen to me and say. Me, we make you a point and make you to make sure so you don't hurt you. Me, I'll go up there and make sure I apologize to you.
Why you want to go up there? What concern you?
Miss, you see last couple of days, me and see man a beat them woman a ball past me. And it just start getting more type of away no way. Me don't know if me can take it no more because me not there and me tell her the truth. Me tell her what me can really hurt me so. I say my father was a junkie. Every night he got a bar and come on and beat mommy. And me never have the strength to can defend him. But me, you see like I'm old and now.
Yeah.
My daddy passed and gone. And my mommy passed. So me not know, me feel like then time they too young and couldn't do nothing about it. I couldn't make a change. And it hurt me hard to this day. So you know you could have been my little sister. You're not even look more than 16. Look how you oh God man. It hurt me and I feel like I can't do something now. So me I go up there and talk to him and me tell him the story of my life, how him affect me. And how it affect my mother. I believe that people can change, right? Up the road.
Yeah.
Really, you know. Boy, I can't rest that boy. They hurt me, they come on. What are you?
What are this man?
Yeah,
Good.
man. Yeah, no, so I'm boy, I'm there look for the door. Hold on. I'm boy, I'm
Go
there
on
look
over.
for man.
You follow me. Go.
I'm boy, I'm there look for man. Near saying they are beat up woman and sitting.
Boy.
A him.
When do? This
He shot me and him and me attention.
is a
So,
man.
wait
Like
up.
that.
I go feel to come defend.
Father, so you half of me did me talk to you how much
She
time.
over my woman yard. I tell woman if she will left me and I talk about me and put me on for woman and so on. You leave tea in your business, is that not concern of whoop.
Brother, so you tell me say half how much time me talk to you.
You know,
Half how much time me talk to you really come on
tell
other
her
woman.
say she stay now.
Stop point up your feet in a girl face my youth. Half how much time me talk to you.
Yeah, him. Tell her she stay out
Stop
of
point up your feet. So half of you really.
Focus on fair business. That not concern her.
That still not give you no right for
You
you
see
the
me?
couple people them daughter brother. That not give you no right. Can't do them something to my youth. Can't do them something.
Yo.
My father used to beat my mother, you know.
Tap in too much.
Brother, my father used to beat my mother, you know.
Tap.
And that,
Brother. Too much chatting with me. Hear me I tell you? Oh wait, let's go.
bring you over here soon. Boy. Where I'm come from? Boy, I know dog. When I can walk and I lick people, woman, girl, pick me. Nobody never lick it. Youth.
Brother.
Youth. Listen to me. Come on.
Everything good.
Boy.
Man. Let me go.
Boy, come on.
Everything good. Let me go.
Come on. Apologize to him.
Sir.
Apologize to him.
Sir, girl.
You're going to lick your woman.
Everything
Tell her
good.
this too. I look you see me forward here.
Everything
Must
good.
I tell you something?
Remember
Come
say
from
this,
boy, you know.
Remember
Youth.
say this, me, eh?
Let me hear say I beat up the woman again. If me are so much time, I keep yo. The boy, you're lucky to win, man. What's your man?
What, baby, you good? Oh, you have your hand in your dress, so what do you?
That not really do me, you know. I just don't want to talk about it.
Come and notice something wrong, cause you're not your normal self. You come in last night and you didn't even hail me up, you just go straight to your bed. That's not like you. That's not my baby who love for chats.
Mommy, you remember how yesterday I told me I go to Shanice's yard?
Mm-hmm.
So I go back there and I talk to her. Her so-called boyfriend come along and put his hand on me.
Put him on who?
Me,
For when there? Him not know who we be, you know? For me pick me, you know? Put him on pay you. When? What happened?
go over there and I talk to Shanice. He come over here and I talk to Shanice and Shanice must leave him.
Which is right.
And he just jape up me and push me on the board up and send me a yard.
Him not know me. Him dead now? Him dead now? Cause him not know me and who, you know? Him not know me and who?
Come.
Make a phone the police.
No, I have to phone the police. I don't know if he go did it or not because I see one gentleman on the road and I explain to him what happened. And then he said must carry him go show him my way because you know like there's something, you know, like here there's something there, see there's something there. And then he go over there. We never end up over the yard. Now I pass if I go to Shanice's yard. He see the man did friend like I'm virgin. And he beat him up.
What, the man beat up the boyfriend?
You see Shanice's boyfriend? Shanice's boyfriend chopped the man in the chest. And he told him to stop grab up and fight. All I do was turn up because I can't fight. Yeah, but
You have to go learn to defend yourself.
but Shanice's boyfriend never win and the other man win.
Good. Somebody forgive him back what him deserve, you know. Him love look that a mama man. You see, any man that love lick woman can't face a real man. So him get it back.
Yeah.
Good. I mean, I like that, you know. That is the one thing I like. I can't stand it. But you know what? Baby, it'll get too rough, you know. And at the end of the day, I think see you and Shanice kind of start draw back. Because now it's gone from him a lick Shanice till him a lick my pitney and things can't go so. Not when my baby gets involved. So better you and Shanice start, because she don't want no help.
Mommy, me don't know how to do wise like she lick her head or something.
Me no know.
But I'm going to just, me not go unfriend her, but me just give her a little time, little
Yes,
Break
breeze
up her
off.
mind, because I'm a friend, you understand?
And mind what you say, because at the end of the day, you see them kind of relationship where it look like say the person like you don't want to come out to it. At the end of the day, be careful what you say, because the two of them are gonna share a pillow. The two heads are gonna get on the pillow. When they make up, them are gonna chat, and nobody can make you go who me. So keep out of couples business, especially when them no want the help. Me know about that, baby girl.
Like that.
You see me react this way when you tell me about Shanice and her boyfriend and thing. Me go through it, you know.
How you go through it, mommy?
Never want to tell you, baby girl. As to make you lose your father, you know, me I gotta tell you the truth. You need to know this now. You're a big girl and you support your friend them through things, and you don't know the full depths of how things can go. Your father was a good man, as we always tell you. He was a good man. When we first met, oh God, was being the operative word. I say, you know, when them let go people, Alcan back in the days,
Yeah.
your father was one of them. And boy, I don't know if it's the no money or the what or the bad company or what. You gotta take up the drinking and drink the deal with them. And any little thing, me cook him dinner wrong, me not cook it on time, me say the wrong words. That's why you see me wear so much shorts, you know, it's my rebellion. Me couldn't even wear certain clothes. And it started off with a lick that him apologize for. Okay, start nice, you know, when them do it one time and then them apologize and you think say it's an accident, it now gonna happen again. Huh? And then everything goes nice. And then just the wrong thing, or you said the wrong thing, and him lose it again, especially when he come in drunk. Especially when you see the drink. That's why I'm not too light the alcohol, you know, baby. Cause it turn people mad, it turn people Jekyll and Hyde. And him come in and it start from one time and you hear sorry. And then it just happened regular. And this one particular day. This one particular day, may I tell you, baby? This one particular night, I couldn't take it no more. My head was hurting, my belly hurt. I couldn't take it no more. And him come in and come with the same thing again. But this time, I answer him back. I'm going to deal with him. God, give me the strength. And boy, who tell me to do that? He take off him belt to me. So you see when me get mad about Shanice?
Yeah.
I couldn't take it no more. So I chuck him off and run. And I run and jump into the car and take off. That time you're a baby, I grab you and take off and run. And he train drunk, he jump in a fame car, so he run me down. And girl, me no know what broke bricks in a car, you know. I pure foot go down, and me I run for my life, I'm picking my life. Then me hear, boom! Oh yeah, and me turn around and looking at the mirror, the car upside down, and the wheels them still a go so. Him spin and crash. Him spin and crash. By the time me stop, I run back and the smell. Everything.
Mama, I'm sorry.
That's why I don't want you to have anything to do with that kind of relationship. Me go through it. The feeling for Shanice. Me go through it.
So sorry.
'Cause That's why we grow you, so you can't make people take advantage of you.
Yeah, deal with that now.
What are you with?
There, I know. One David and then one.
One puppy and one big chops.
Say I pray now.
I don't see how they are, I dog go on normal. What are you with my idea?
Boy, I tell you, say it's a one party, I mash up like a more, you know.
Boy, I'm not talk about place like no dog. You know, a friend with me lucky in. From coming down around them parts.
I'm lucky into you know, but sometimes you can't lock in too much, you know. You have to try and enjoy yourself. So, I mean, nigga them birthday, so I eat more and look ball later.
That sound bad. Might be portal, but different still dog. You know, some me up on the road. I see this nigga from when dog. The minute I see my man, some woman have problem. And dog, you know, so we are born really business and people business. But
So, you might try violate you?
no, hold on, you know, reach this. When a business about people business, my dog. But I say, dog, you know, young, but he mind young, if you understand what I mean. He wants some guidance, dog.
Yeah.
Can't me see man take up a, you know, the water jug there, where full for 5 bills.
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
And then me see man want to lick a girl, the girl not even go feed.
I lie.
I say, dog, and me don't know, dog. So I chat to him and say, chop, cool down. Cool down on there, something, dog. Because me, dog, I cheat time buck him up and I cheat time buck him up. A woman him a beat. So I don't know what kind of man this, dog, but naturally still.
Watch you know. You know we not like boy you beat to man, you know. We not
be.
beat to man, you know. Ready to send back in a few days, you know, man. I must say put down certain things, you know.
You not even have to
I
chat about.
send no man go beat to man, you know, man. If they violate certain way, we no beat to man, you. Remember we have a mother, you know, man. Sister said way, you know.
Bro, we not like no boy will beat woman, dog.
Right now, all if you only make your man that sound piss in your face.
No, you know what say differently still. You know what say I circle him. I mean, never know say him cause I say me see this look, oh God, dog. If I see a little girl a ball, yo, it burn up everything in my heart. I go to him and I say, yo, no, she all a pass. I say, miss, warm to you. He must say, one boy, chuck him off fast. So I go up there, so I go chat to him. I said, yo, me say. So I say, what go on? I say, father, put down there sitting there. You want to know what's a part? Treat me, puff me chest.
I lie, I tell. So what you do?
I think I do.
Yo, me know you head mad for a long time, so I hope you not take that, you know.
Fuck Chargy, you know say, I take me take it. Me not take it.
Watch you, man. What kind of style that?
Chop.
When there?
Chop. Calm now, man. You're
Yo.
not taller now, man. Chargy, it's like say. Take me take you, you know, dog, but me not really take it fully. Cause if me did, you see me? Me not do what me want to do in my mind. Me just give him 2 fists and then sitting there, dog. But me I pray in myself, say, yo, we need to forget this, you know.
What you mean by?
My youth, you need to forget this, dog. I go for a reason with him, cause I'm saying, man, young, you don't understand life.
Yo, you're mad somebody you would. When him a beat a girl, you feel him a think them the way there.
That's why I'm go there for a reason with him. Sometimes people just want talking to dog. And that me I look one.
No, if you him a do him can't get talking to man.
My
right now should all want mash to beat him out.
Chop. I go there, yo, I give man some hard fist in the head and sitting down. But yo, right now, you all I'm face supposed to bust up and sit.
So how the nigga there?
I think I talk and say name dog. But me I look one and say, yo,
I don't know the nigga there.
I don't know him neither. I don't know nobody down here. But me I say, I have to deal with him, so dog, in a real life. So right now, me I pray for say, if me I see him, I just see him and say, yo, sorry about that.
Watch you, man. What you talk say?
Well, I'm my
so you do things and I tell people sorry.
No.
Me not like that.
My youth, my youth, we change our life in a dog, and I just count, so me I try to count, so you them when I no sense, my
we
youth.
change your life, but we can't make people hurt with.
No boy can't hurt with dog. Just
right now, tell me, you want to tell him sorry, and me want to see him the game to slap out or match it.
Alright, tell her.
When locate?
Me no know, remember say me no know him, I talk guy dog name.
So how you want to see him to tell him sorry then?
Charge it, my youth, you go on like we don't know a road, a simple thing for run program. So me I go see him, and if me see him, you talk to him. You see me? And if the dog do nothing too harsh, you know say me make one phone call. Can me tell him say me no come from boy, you know dog. I'm
you know
afraid for go back when I live, you know.
If he do nothing when you talk to him, mother forward and help him do something too. Because I don't know where you go tell him sorry for, you know. You don't beat them and are back in a few days when you do people things and tell people sorry. We left them to learn from their mistake.
Well, tell her, me learn from mine because a whole heap of boy me hurt. A whole heap of boy life can't come back because of me. So here we go on. I'll give him one more talking to me. I'll make a program and find out live. So yo, I just that me and
show you. If that you're comfortable with that you're comfortable with us. Do it, man.
Chop, do it right now.
Because a woman ain't beating you, me hurting you.
I hurt, we are going to hurt him if you do wrong dog. But yo, a simple sitting down.
boy feel like say to beat me this damn nothing. You know, hold him back. I say, Diva God up above. Can't stop me from finding him. Anywhere in there, me find him. Anywhere. Boy didn't even know. The boy didn't even know when to that. Swear you. The peace and save it. Sudden destruction.
What's on, man? You made it to the end of the movie. That means you have to like it, not true. So remember to hit the like button, show what is going on. Alright, so here we go on. This is our first movie. You know that already. So just remember to subscribe, remember to share up it thing. And the more we show you how to do it, and the more we know something we want to see it. So watch out now. New movie coming soon. But for then, just go and watch some of my other channel them. Not true.